My name's Stuart Field. I'm one of the senior repair technicians at Magicman in West Midlands. We're at Casey Johnson and Marnie's house. Marnie's here today. We're fixing their fireplace. So the fireplace was basically broken into 3 pieces. What we're going to do is we're going to Dremel out all the damage, put some epoxy resins in there, put some texture in there as well, put some 2K surfaces which are long-lasting protective coatings over the top, and fingers crossed everything's going to look perfect and invisible by the time we've finished today.
Right, moment of truth then, how was it?
What do you think?
Oh my God, it's completely repaired. What the hell? It looks amazing. What do I need to do to look after it?
I try not to use any harsh products on there, just gentle soap and water, gentle cleaners going forward, soft sponges. It is really durable, the stuff we're using, but we generically say to all of our repairs, we just treat them gently, be careful with them, and they'll last as long as the half.
Just so pleased that it was able to be saved. Thank you so much.
No, you're welcome.